From the shop floor, to the production line, to the battlefield, you're harnessing ultra-low latency inference at your edge to help your teams move faster, safer, and smarter, unlocking the insights that drive your business further, faster. Yet many enterprises face big hurdles: poor connectivity, fragmented tools, and costly data transfers to the cloud. You need to know your edge computing system can adapt, respond, and scale, no matter what the future holds. HPE ProLiant Compute unlocks your edge for the world of today and tomorrow. Expect uncompromising security, resilience, and performance for any edge workload, including AI. Say yes to flexible, edge-optimized infrastructure that powers anything, anywhere, from forecasting energy costs to managing a global server footprint. Empower faster, smarter decisions with AI-driven insights from HPE Compute Ops Management, giving your teams greater control, even without on-site support. With HPE ILO embedded in every server, physical and digital security is built in, from the factory to end of life. Threats are stopped before they start, now and in the future, with built-in, multi-layered protection and HPE Silicon Root of Trust. Because your workloads need proven security, edge-ready autonomy, and uncompromising resilience. HPE Edge Computing. Turn data into decisions and unlock the next era of innovation.